In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and configure an audience sign-up form and set up double opt-in for subscriber permissions. To get started, open your Chrome window and navigate to the audience section, then click into sign-up forms. This is where you'll manage the way new subscribers join your list, and it's the central place for building forms that match how you want to collect consent. Taking a moment here to choose the right setup is important because it affects both the user experience and how subscriber permission is recorded. Once you're inside signup forms, choose either Form Builder or Embedded Forms based on your delivery goals. If you want more control over the overall appearance and hosted form experience, Form Builder is usually the better option. If you plan to place the form directly on your own website, Embedded Forms will typically make more sense. The key here is to match the form type to where and how people will be signing up so the experience feels seamless for your audience. After that, go to the Audience Settings panel and locate the Double Opt-in checkbox configuration. Turn this setting on or off depending on your permission strategy. Double opt-in adds an extra confirmation step which can help improve list quality and make subscriber consent clearer. In many cases, this is especially useful if you want a stronger record that each person intentionally confirmed their subscription. Be sure to review the setting carefully before moving on, since it directly affects how new contacts are added to your audience. Next, design your opt-in submission layout. This includes configuring the form fields, organizing the overall structure, and editing the confirmation redirect text blocks. As you do this, keep the form simple and easy to understand. Only include the fields you truly need, and make sure the wording clearly explains what the subscriber is signing up for. For the confirmation or redirect messaging, use language that sets expectations, such as what happens after submission or when they should check their inbox. Clear messaging helps reduce confusion and can improve completion rates. Finally, copy the live public signup link or the embed script, depending on the form type you chose. This is what you'll use to publish the form and begin collecting subscriber permission records. If you're sharing a direct hosted form,